Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I talk about topics that help others on their pathway to financial independence. And I just crossed over the mark where I officially retired from my engineering job. I worked that job for 25 years. There's plenty of time, um, and I pulled the trigger and said I'm done with that job. And for the most part, I will just live off my investments from here on out. I do have a little recreational job, something that I really enjoy doing. I don't need the money, but it's nice to have a little bit of extra. So that's kind of my plan. I'll just kind of work this little side gig thing that I've done for a while, but just keep doing it. And then I quit my engineering job. So it was interesting. I got paid a really good compliment by my manager. I had given in my notice, and it's interesting. My manager is, about 7 years ahead of me, and he's also looking to retire. And I was he was passing me in the parking lot one day, and he came up to me. I rolled down my window, and he said, "I just want you to know that I think that you are the smartest person in our building, or the smartest person in our facility." And I'm like, "What?" And he said, "I'm serious about that. You're getting out of having to work uh, at least a decade earlier than everybody else. And literally, you're the smartest person here." And that that really kind of took me back. I certainly liked that because I work with a lot of really talented engineers. We have guys that have master's degrees in engineering and PhD degrees in engineering and MBAs. And, I've worked with all of these guys. I've led teams with them on them before. But my goal was to figure out how to get out of having to work for a living early. I didn't want to continue to do that till I was, 65 or even longer. And so I just made it a goal to educate myself about finance and investing. And I do think that I am the smartest person there because I don't want to go to a little gray cubicle cell day in and day out for the rest of my life as I'm getting older, my body's slowly, losing its strength. I want to do the things that I want to do when I want to do them. And so I spent a bunch of time trying to learn about how to invest, how to work the tax systems, how to gain, little bits here and there, and slowly over time, gradually increased my net worth. And today I am free. This whole week I don't have to log into the computer and do any work. In fact, my manager sent me a text on my first Monday after I retired, and he said, "How's your first day doing?" I said, "Well, I don't have to log in and use this particular computer program to try to release a specification drawing for one of our engineer things." I'm like, "I don't have to do that." And he said, "That's actually what I'm doing right now." And so, I bought my freedom. He's still there working. All my other engineering colleagues are still there working, and I'm not. I'm free. So that's just kind of like an incentive to try to pursue your financial independence in the FIRE movement. Um, Doing these things gives you an outlet at some point in your life. You become financially free. I am now liberated from my day job. I don't have to work it anymore. I've reached freedom, and you can too if you spend your time, work at it, learn, save, invest, all of those things. I'm living proof that it's possible to do that because I just did it. So a little pep talk, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and wish you all well on your own financial journeys. Bye.